Hello, boys and girls. My name is Peanut, Butter, and Jelly. Guess what I learned this summer? I learned the whole alphabet, A all the way to Z. Can you believe it? I bet you can learn it too. Let's see. Starts off with the letter A. And A makes a sound like in apple. Can you say it? Apple. Then there's B. And B sounds like ball. Then C, which looks like this, and it sounds like cat. Oh gosh, cats. Next is D, and D is one of my favorite letters because it sounds like dog, and I love dogs. Now, everybody knows that E comes next, and E sounds like eh. You know, like when you're talking about a big, fat Easter egg. E. That makes the sound. Then, of course, there would be F, which sounds like fan. I always have to use a fan because I'm so hot. Now, the next letter is G. G makes the g sound. You know, like in gate. H sounds like hat. Now, the next letter is going to be I, and it sounds like igloo. Now, after I comes J, and it looks like this. J makes the j sound, like in jets. Next comes K, key. Then there's L, and L sounds log. Next, there's M, mop. And then comes N, and it sounds like net. And followed by N is O, which makes the sound of one of my favorite birds, Mr. Ostrich. After O comes P. P, as in pig, oink, oink. And after P comes Q. Q makes the k sound, like in queen. Next comes R, and R looks like this, and it makes the r sound, like in rug. S sounds like S, as in saw. Then there's T, tiger. And after that comes U, and it sounds like up. After that comes V, as in van. Then there's W, and it makes the w sound, like in web. And then there's X, and it sounds like X-ray. Next comes Y, and it sounds like yeah, as in my favorite toy, the yo-yo. And finally, there is Z, and it makes the z sound, like zebra. And that's what I learned this summer.